In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Twitter feed to Squarespace. If you're looking to integrate your Twitter feed directly into your Squarespace website, you're in the right place. Adding your live Twitter feed to your site is a great way to keep your visitors up to date with your latest tweets, whether you're sharing important updates, promoting your brand, or engaging with your audience. And the best part, it's simple to do. Let me walk you through each step so you can get it set up quickly and seamlessly. To begin, head over to the Squarespace website and log into your account. Now, depending on your preference, you can either log in with your email and password or use the Continue with Google option. If you choose the Google method, just select your preferred Google account and you'll be logged in instantly. Once you're signed in, navigate to the website section in your Squarespace dashboard. This is where all the sites associated with your account are listed. Click on the site you want to edit, and this will open the Squarespace site editor where all the magic happens. Now, with the site editor open, look for the Edit button and click on it. This will enable editing mode, allowing you to make changes to your website layout and content. Next, you'll want to add a content block to your page. To do this, click on the Add Block button. This is the tool you'll use to insert different types of content onto your site. From the list of available content blocks, select the Embed option. The Embed block allows you to integrate custom code snippets into your site. After adding the Embed block to your page, you'll see an edit icon appear within the block itself. Click on that icon to open the code snippet area. This is where you'll input the code that connects your Twitter feed to your Squarespace website. Now, it's time to grab the Twitter embed code. Head over to your Twitter account and locate the specific embed code for your feed. Twitter provides these ready-made snippets so you can easily display your tweets on external platforms like Squarespace. If you're unsure how to find it, simply go to the Twitter settings for embedding and follow the prompts to generate your code. Once you have the embed code, return to the Squarespace embed block and paste the code into the snippet area. Be sure to double-check that you've copied the entire code correctly, as any errors here could prevent your feed from displaying properly. Before finalizing the changes, take a moment to preview how the embedded Twitter feed looks on your site. This step is important to ensure everything is displaying as intended. If something appears off, you can always go back and tweak the embed code or adjust the placement of the block. When you're happy with how the feed looks, click the Save button to commit your changes. Saving ensures that your embedded Twitter feed is now live and visible to your website visitors. This step is crucial because without saving, your edits won't be published. And that's it. You've successfully added your Twitter feed to your Squarespace website. Now your visitors can see your latest tweets directly on your site, which is a fantastic way to keep your content dynamic and engaging. If you haven't already created a Squarespace account, you can use the link in the description to sign up and start building your site today. So now you know exactly how to integrate your Twitter feed into your Squarespace site quickly and easily. If you have any questions or run into any issues, feel free to leave a comment below, and I'll do my best to help. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.